In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a world in Terraria. Now, in the last episode, we created a character. I will leave a link to that video in the description below. We will click play and select world screen. Since we have nothing to select, we will create a new one. And here are all of our options for creating a world. This first tab is for our name, so we will call this the cool world. The seed is a randomized number that will generate your world automatically. Unless you are wanting a specific type of world to be spawned, I would not mess with this number. Next, we have the world size. In a small world, there are very limited resources and there's not much to explore. Medium, there's a little bit more to explore and a little more resources, and large is the full experience. I always recommend going large because then that will give you the best experience for your first time and will give you the most amount to play around with. Next, we have 4 different modes for our world. Classic mode, as it is stated, is the normal and vanilla adventure you can have. It is not too hard, but it is not too easy. Expert mode is similar to classic mode, except everything is a little bit harder to kill, you take more damage, but there is also extra loot to be earned. Master mode is similar to expert mode in that all of the monsters are harder to defeat, but you also get better items. For this playthrough, we are going to be using classic mode. Lastly, we have our corruption type. The 2 corruptions are available to us are corruption and crimson. Now, you can randomize this and have it be chosen for you, or you can pick one yourself. The only thing that this affects are ores that spawn in your game and certain mobs and bosses that also spawn. For this playthrough, we're going to be choosing corruption. Now that we have created a world, we'll have to take a moment for it to generate. Remember that the bigger your world you create, the longer it will take to load. But this is only for the first time, as it has to generate. Other times load into your world will not take as long as this first time. In this video, I showed you how to create a world in Terraria. In the next one, I will be showing you how to survive the first night.